would try and make sure first and foremost that it's you versus you. So rather than you trying to lift what you see somebody else lifting at the gym, you would take your numbers and definitely keep a record and see that you could beat that. Not necessarily each time that you go to the gym. It won't always increase, but over time it should increase. Let's say in a 3-4 week period, if you're being dedicated and consistent, you should see a 1 to 2 pound increase depending on the body part that you're trying to build up. So with that said, you would try and build muscle more from doing a higher weight and lower reps. You wouldn't launch into that. You would start at a weight that's okay with you. Let's say it's a bicep curl. You could do 8 pounds fairly easily. You would do 8 pounds on set number 1, increase to 10 pounds on set number 2. So it's more challenging, but only doing 10 repetitions. And then on set number 3, you would increase it again to, let's say, 12 pounds, doing only 8 repetitions. So the rest period should be longer in between for weight training and muscle development, and the weights should get a little bit higher. They should be challenging.